Howdy y'all, welcome back to the Cooking Shack. Dawned on me the other day, sitting there looking through trying to figure out what I'm going to record, is that I ain't done breakfast on this channel yet. So we're going to do a simple southern breakfast. We got chopped taters and onions, otherwise known as hash browns, but down here we don't buy the frozen kind. We got plentiful enough of russets that might as well just chop them up the old-fashioned way. And we got bacon, and we're gonna do eggs too. Now I do it kind of weird. I take the whole package of bacon, throw it in there, and stir it around like comb cow chicken. But yeah, well, I'll update y'all as the progress goes, and yeah. See y'all in a sec. Now, this is a more non-traditional version of way of cooking bacon. But in my opinion, it's a lot more efficient. A lot of times whenever you got them laying flat down, and while that does have a better look, and if you have a bacon press, it does work a little bit better. But when you're doing it on a glass top, you got to worry about that bacon press cracking your glass top. Now, the main way to know when you're getting just about ready when it comes to stir frying bacon like this is whenever it starts looking milky like that. That means all areas of the bacon are starting to cook all at once. And this gets it nice and crispy. In my opinion, crispy's a lot better than damn near charred. Keep it stirred. Keep it at a medium heat. Keep it stirred. I end up coming out with just like almost perfect consistency. If you keep it stirred, keep it up. Yeah, that should just be just about right there. One thing you have to consider though, also when you're cooking taters like this, is that not to stir them too often. You want them to brown a little bit, and especially with these granite style pans like this, you have to keep them at a high heat, otherwise they just get soft. They cook really well, but they get soft and they never actually brown. So keep them at a high heat and don't try to be too attentive with them. And quick and easy tip when it comes to cooking eggs, same thing goes. Don't be too attentive. If you want to cook the top without worrying about tearing them, take your spatula or wooden spoon like this and just flick the grease over on top of them, and they'll cook. The top will cook pretty easy. That way you're not tearing them up when you're trying to flip them. That'll cook it a little bit more on top where they don't tear up quite as bad whenever you're flipping them over. See, now we're starting to get a nice golden brown. And you got to keep this sucker, I mean, hot. Like all the way up to get these things to brown whenever you're cooking with these things. I love granite skillets. They're about as non-stick as you can get, and they're probably the safest thing that's non-stick that you can use, and that's the cast iron. Problem is with cast iron you can use as a self-defense weapon. It's so heavy. But yeah, we're getting there, slowly but surely. Oh yeah. Browning, starting to turn into the southern style hash brown, which ain't nothing but chopped taters. Cooked till they're a little halfway burnt. But in my opinion, that's the best way to cook them. Now, I don't usually say that because burnt stuff can be rather bad for you. Problem is with burnt food, even if it tastes good, you have to realize that your body's not really supposed to process that. It's not meant to. And carbon can build up inside your gut, well, inside your intestines rather, if you eat burnt food too often. And that can cause blockage. And I knew a guy that had to have most, like 3-4 feet of his small intestine removed just because he ate too much burnt stuff. Yeah. Have fun with that one. Let's let in our official taste testers. What are you doing, dogs? What are you doing, dogs? Hello, Baba. Hello, Baba. Hello, Baba. Boss. Come here, Bubba. Come here, Bubba. You want to bite? Is that a winner, Bubba? Is that a winner? Yeah, I believe so. Now, that'll do it, folks. Y'all have a good one.